Today I'm working on a 2012 Audi A6, just making a quick video with a tip. I'm doing the rear springs on this. The left rear broke. The way I typically do it is with the spring compressor, and it's kind of a fight because you have to have them positioned just right to get it up here. But another mechanic I work with here suggested I just drop the side of the subframe and do it like this, one side at a time. So it seems to be working pretty well. I think this is probably the easiest way I've done this on one of these. Loosen up the bolts on the opposite side of the spring you're replacing, so you can just do one at a time. Just loosened up this bolt here, 18mm socket up here with a 21mm socket, or 22, I'm sorry. And then take these two out, this one as well as this one. You have to pull the brake line, make sure you don't put too much tension on it. So if you just pull it from its clip, there's enough play here. And everything else seems to kind of be okay. I took the exhaust and I left it up there, but I just loosened up the mounting bolts here. You can see there's a nut there, 13mm socket there, back here. And then I just loosened up this one here, and I got plenty of room when I drop this down to get this in by hand with no compressor or anything like that. So really a slick way to do it. You could probably do this at home with the floor jack, but obviously over your head with a screw jack, this is much easier on a hoist. But yeah, just a quick tip. The whole thing's crooked now. I'm just gonna screw this thing back up, put the bolts in, get a screw jack under here, hook my shock bolt back up. That's the other thing I did end up taking off the shock bolt, because this attaches to the body and then to the control arm, so you want to pull that out for sure. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.